Good morning, Grizzlies. Welcome to my bird mornings. Morgan. Morgan. Hey. Hey. You looking for Mama? Who's that? Is that you? Yeah. Is that you? And that's the best way to wake up during the morning.
Where's the tongs? Come to the. Let your coat.
Hello everybody, welcome back. So yeah, today's just a lounging day, relaxing, not doing much. I've already been food shopping this morning. Just chilling at the moment, watching a bit of Tim Tracker. Darling is having a breakfast, excuse the mess. And then we're off to IKEA in a bit. The wife's just getting ready, so that's going to be enjoyable. I hate the drive to IKEA. It's going to be interesting. I'll see you in IKEA. Bye. So before we go, I just wanted to show off the little puddy cat. Hello, darling. What you doing? Hey? She's been really miserable today. She wants to go outside, but it's horrible and wet, and we're going out in a minute, so she ain't going out. Ah, the life of having a child. Still eating the breakfast. Lily does like to sit underneath nowadays in case the food drops out. And she's like, ooh, treats.
Off we pop to IKEA. We're going to IKEA. Diddle-diddle-woo! Back to Wednesbury. Diddle-diddle-woo! We're gonna get some spoons. Diddle-diddle, ah! And some plates too. Do you want me to film the whole thing? Because my arm's gonna get tired.
And we're at IKEA. My wife has just quickly escaped out of the car. Because she doesn't like being on camera, even though you will hear her voice quite a lot in this, even though she doesn't know that yet. But yeah, here we are. Get out of the car. The big beautiful blue and yellow sign. And I just locked my car for some reason because I'm an idiot. And there she is.
Hi.
My beautiful wife. She's been all coy and shy. There she is. So yeah, there it is. The big beautiful horrible place that you get lost in every time you come to. Like the pattern on the back.
Yeah, the door. It's basically a door.
That's very clever. Using wardrobe doors as a headboard. I like that. That's very clever. My wife, people, laughs uncontrollably when people drop things for no reason. See? Here she goes. Best part of the IKEA trip so far. So the IKEA trip is practically done. I was just had to pop back inside to find something because what we were looking for, I think we completely walked past. We've only come for kiddie spoons and bowls all this way, but it's a trip to IKEA. Whilst I love IKEA, I absolutely hate this store. It's horrible to get to, it's a motorway drive, but then just the layout of the store's absolutely rubbish. The one in Coventry that was shut down a couple of years ago is absolutely fantastic. We still can't figure out why they ever shut that store. It was a brilliant store, but obviously wasn't making enough money for them, which is a shame because it was easy to get to city centre so you could do all the other shopping as well that you wanted to, but now you can't. So now we just pack the car away and have the nice long journey back down the M6. See you back at home. Bye. Thanks very much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and I shall see you soon. Bye bye.